You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this Polish name of Polish origin. If you want to learn more confusing names, including the name of a mountain in Australia. This is also the name of the highest mountain in Australia. But the Polish pronunciation here, let's get on with it. Kościuszko, 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 Kościuszko. It's a bit of a mouthful, sorry. Kościuszko is how you say it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.